students, welcome to our e-class. For today we'll be looking at division of fraction. In our last class we looked at multiplication of fraction. Now in division of fraction, what we are going to do is that first of all we are going to reciprocate the denominator so that the sign at the middle will be our multiplication. From there we'll be able to simplify the work. So for question number 1, we have 1 over 2 divided by 3 over 4. So what we are going to do, we are going to reciprocate. So we have to reciprocate the denominator. Reciprocating the denominator in the sense that the denominator will be up, the numerator will be down. So this will give us 1 over 2 times 4 over 3. So it's just looking like multiplication. Now what we are going to do now, we are going to reduce. 2 can go into 2, 2 can go into 4. So what we are going to be having will be 1 over 1 times 2 over 3. And that will simply give us 2 over 3. Now for question number 2, we are having 3 over 7 divided by 3 over 4. So we are going to reciprocate also. Now when we reciprocate, we are going to be having 3 over 7 times 4 over 3. 3 can cancel 3 out. We'll be having 4 over 7. For question number 3, we have 4 whole number 1 over 6 divided by 6 whole number 3 over 4. So we are going to convert now. 6 times 4, that will give us 24 plus 1 to be 25 over 6 divided by 4 times 6, that will give us 24. 24 plus 2 will give us 27 over 4. Now we are going to reciprocate. Now when we reciprocate, we'll be having 25 over 6 times 4 over 27. 4 can divide, 2 can go into 4, 2 can go into 6. Then we'll be having 24 over 3 times 2 over 27. Now, there's no number that can go into 27 and go into 25. There's no number. So what we're going to do, we're going to multiply the numerator and then we're going to multiply the denominator. And this is going to be 50. And when we multiply this, we are going to be having 81. Since there's no number to reduce, we are going to leave it like this. Now, the next question we are having, which is question number 4, we have 3 whole number 4 over 5 divided by 1 whole number 5 over 8. Now we're going to convert. This will be 15. 15 plus 4 will give us 19 over 5 divided by, this is going to be 8. 8 plus 5 is going to give us 30 over 8. And then we are going to reciprocate. Now when we reciprocate, we are going to be having 19 over 5 times 8 over 13. Now if you look carefully, you will see that there is no number for us to reduce. So we're going to multiply. So we have 19 times 8. 9 times 8 will give us 72. And then we carry 7. This will be 8 and that will be 5. So we are going to have 152 over. Then we have 3 times 5. So this will be 15. Then we carry 1, we have 6. So we are going to be having this. Now what we are going to do now, we are going to divide. We are going to divide this.
Okay.
Now we're going to divide this number to leave it in mixed fraction. So we have 152, and then we are going to be divided by 65. 65 here will go twice. 2 times 65 now. That will give us 10. We'll carry 1. This will be 12 plus 1. We're having 13. So we are going to subtract. This is going to be 2. And that is going to give us 2, then 0. We don't need the 0. So we are having 2 number 22/65 as our answer. For question number 5, we are having 2 whole number 1/4 divided by 1 whole number 2/3. So when we convert, 2 times 4 will be 8 plus 1, which is 9/4 divided by 3 times 1 will give us 3 plus 2, that will give us 5/3. We have to reciprocate. Now when we reciprocate, we are going to have 9/4 times 3/5. Now you can see there is no common factor that can divide. So what we're going to do, we're going to multiply the numerator together and then multiply the denominator together. Then we have 3 times 4, that will be 27. 4 times 5, that will give us 20. Now this fraction is improper fraction. We can't even answer an improper fraction, so we have to divide. 20 will go once. We are going to have a remainder of 7/20. So when we are looking at division of fraction, what you are going to do first of all, we are going to reciprocate the denominator. So the sign at the middle is now going to be multiplication sign, and then you can reduce. And I said if you are also asked to divide a mixed fraction, what you do, you convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. After converting the mixed fraction to improper fraction, you are going to reciprocate also. And when you are done reciprocating, you try as much as possible to reduce the fraction to its lowest term. So in a short class, you are free to ask questions. Thank you.